Right, where's Lucas now? I'm just starting to be hungry. Yo,
Cooking
Lucas!
with Lucas. Cooking with Lucas. Cooking with Lucas.
So, Lucas, I'm pretty hungry, as you can tell. Can you make me some food? And what are you making me for food?
Today, I'm going to be making you my grandma's recipe. Let's make it. Today, this is the toppings. Now, next, we got these ones. Now, this is the special ingredient. You got to light it up. And we got to cook the egg up like this. There you go.
But what about this bag?
This bag, oh, let me see what's in there. We got some bananas for the toppings. And we got some chicken curry for on top of it. So, my secret grandma's recipe, I don't know what it is, honestly. She just told me the recipes. So, next, we got to cool it down.
Bo, you need to cool down.
Okay, now, we're finished.
Okay, now stir it. I'm hungry.
Okay, yeah. All right, eat it up.
Are you disrespectful?
Hmm?
No, no, no!